Model, 2015 Citroën Berlingo L1 Partner 1.6 HDi 625Kg Lux 75 PS Starts Drives Clutch Slipping Open Mouth Smile. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 92,876. MOT, 24 March 2024. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 ETE-DC. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox perfect, the clutch is slipping, will need replacing. Quick easy repair. The inside of this is absolutely spotless. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features: 0 former keepers,